There he is. What are you doing, Marv? Explain to the fine folks what you're doing.
I'm not doing anything. I'm just helping.
You are.
I'm just helping.
You're just helping.
Helping Clyde.
Oh, there's Clyde. Clyde, what are you doing, Clyde?
Oh, just being me.
My little retarded nephew, Clyde. He's not even my real nephew, but he is really retarded. So. That's mean. No, he's a good boy, Clyde.
I don't know.
She pulled a little, eh?
Yeah.
You got anything we can just stick in there and pry down on it? Get one of them tire bars, move, pry down on it, and pack that side. Oh, yeah.
Well,
Yes,
Tire
sir.
bar right over there.
How about that axle right behind you? Will that fit in there?
That'll work.
This thing will work here, Clyde. Oh, yeah. Oh, can you get it or you want me to help? 'Cause I'm a filming.
Nope, that'll work.
Oh, yeah, that'll work.
look at that.
Stick her to her, Clyde. Stick her to her. Oh, what we are doing is we're putting on a mechanical thumb on the old girl.
Well, it's hot.
So we Googled it, or well, Clyde Googled it. He said everybody's saying to put like a 2x4, like 3-4 inches of spacing right there. That'll give us clearance. So we're gonna just tack it. We're gonna tack it and whack it, huh?
Yeah.
Huh? Look at that guy. He's got his helmet on. He's ready for deep space exploration. Huh? Well, this is gonna be fun. I'm excited that this thing works. That'd be great. So here's the thumb for it, right, y'all. So we got to experiment. I think we got it right, but that's my fucking unit. So we're going to mount that up. Like I said, it's mechanical. I can turn it into hydraulic if I want someday, but I don't care. I just want it on there because got a bunch of crap to clean up. So, plus we can use it if you ever had to load poles or wood with it. It'd just be handy to have. See, this let me show you this. This is what I want to put on this machine. I bought this. Coast, but see how it's got the chainsaw on it? So nice unit. It's in very good condition. Got a heavy rotator on it. Very well built. So I bought that to put on that, or another machine just to chase with, to bunch and stuff like that. Kind of a din thing, if you will. If you follow Tater, you'll know what I mean. But anyway, just about 5 o'clock. We're gonna head out pretty soon. We're gonna just tack that on, see if it works. We're just gonna tack it. Try it and see. Woo! Clyde just going like a madman. Sounds like he's cooking eggs. Tack out a little bit. That way, if we got to move it, we can cut it loose and move it.
Oh, that'd be good enough to try it.
Sure. Good deal. All right. Well,
Back it out there and hook her up and see if it looks like it's in the right spot.
say hi to the world.
Hi, world.
Huh? Okay, now say bye to the world.
Bye, world.
Bye, world.
Bye.